welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne now. He's always sharing these tapes, and there's always something, or someone talking about something. So, just go and listen to the tape and see what he has to say. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment your honest opinion on this video and let us know how you feel about it. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Joyful and triumphant day.
I could go back tonight. I could go back tonight now. More to the ear. The part where I talk over a little while. No, I'm not there for my page. Unless it's who it's for. And that is it. I damn something going again. Alright, see it here. I could go back tonight.
About the flawless. I want them to know who name Nadine. If they didn't know, they would have stopped what them are doing because me personally chose gas to my picture. Blood, fire, pussy. Aye. You understand me?
I'm see that part.
Innocent people because I have kids. I have 3 kids and I have 3 grandkids. Plus I have some steps, some no step. Well, I'm not gonna say I have 3 kids. I have 5 kids because my husband have 2 and with him kids and my kids. Plus I have god kids. I have about 7 god kids who depend on me.
You know someone on liberty?
And let me tell you something. I'm gonna break up no daddy house to help them. When me done with Uno have to come up on the face of the earth and have to change the identity. Me I tell you that straight up. You understand me? All me have to do make 2 phone calls. You understand me? I just don't understand why we're so wicked. All because of what? All because of the kid little people. We not make no bag of money over here, so. The anti-donor kid now give millions of dollars over here. So what the fuss for? Me hear someone on the panel live a chat about you are the problem and they are trying to get rid of you. You're nobody because you're not selling no shit in cake. So let me tell you this. When you're not going to plan against me and when you're not going to tell liar and we send people come in yard and say me I do illegal works or something. I don't know what I do before I do it. You hear me? And when I go talk about nothing do them know who we go lock up. We don't have so much enemy. Nobody can get arrested.
Until you never talk.
Like when citizens come down and beat somebody and they can't lock up nobody because everybody beat him. They can't lock up nobody because a citizen beat everybody, beat the person there. Nobody can get arrested unless they point out one person say you. You understand me? You can have so much enemy and then you believe that when something happened to you, you can't point finger upon one somebody, you're crazy, you're mad. Amount of people are going to write book on you and tell them, say, no. You can't this, him or her have more than what you think. You have more enemy than how 1 pound of rice of grain. You hear that? But one other man have to leave me alone out on the business. I'm not a baker, I've never baked. Me can't even be a good.
On the ear?
Me bake and I only for me like a daughter.
That makes sense now?
Husband, he love when me bake for him. He love when me bake setting the bread and all these things in life. Me not bake again because I'm not a baker. I don't do cake myself. Me don't even love cook. You hear me? Me don't even love cook. Me only cook because I have to.
That makes sense now, no?
You understand me? Good morning, everyone. You understand me? But when I not stoop so low, man, want to expect me to come out, come do. Sit down silent. Tell us I'm very vengeful. I am very, very vengeful. Don't do that. You see me I do my business, I'm happy, you don't know mine. I want to say me a hustler for this. Yeah, me I do my little hustling, so why not leave me alone? Me not bother nobody. You don't say, all me I do this, Auntie Dana never call me one day. I say, how much money you make now? How much cake you have left? Auntie Dana not question me. So why would I not worry? So what I do? I better stagnant. I better smell like some girl coochie. Yeah man, I better smell like some girl when I take type of beard and then the slump on the internet every day and make trouble. I better smell so. Yeah. Tell me, you know, but just don't want to get down to phone level, but I can if I want to. I mean, I apologize. Apologize to. Me not have nobody. Auntie Dana never called me one day yet. Never text me, never call me a Paula. and said to me, say, Flawless, how much money you have now? Flawless, how much cake did you sell? They never call me. I mean, I get goods upon goods upon goods upon goods. I mean, them not ask about their money. So why not worry about? Why you guys worried about?
Get them something to talk about.
Why not worry about? Tomorrow should pick up yourself.
But me not gonna make them try.
Yes, how someone not talking now, when I say, when I threat to other people. When I threat, let me tell you something, you're not threat to nobody. The only threat to be is to society because we don't trust you, we don't know where you're putting it.
Hold on, what are you the party?
Come for me if dead. Anybody make me...
People, listen, you lady over there, sir. Me just call him and done, hey, me not stone a party now, but we know that Tina at time because Tina say yesterday power video when me play, say she attract the people. So me I read it at your video and I say, oh yeah, that should bad Tina. Good about you should just call him and done. You should just call him and done. What wrong with calling him? Listen. I don't want that show that man come want chat to all of them. Want chat to all of them. I don't care. Want chat to no. Cause me a mama lashy. Me a lashy. I put on big girl panty next time. I put on my bingo jars and compare my bingo jars and chat to no. So no know say me a real lashy. So if you go on the cells, we can come chat to no. Call Tina name next time. Cause we know that Tina ya attack. We know. And all who don't know, a bat. All who don't know, now what about? All who don't know, them just not listen to the mix-up. Only just not listen. I saw the fool. Anyway, only listen to the party again. Hold on. Listen now.
I mean, I get goods upon goods upon goods upon goods. I mean, them not ask about their money. So why not worry about? Why you guys worried about? Why not worry about? Tomorrow should pick up yourself.
Hey, my mix up with the admin. My mix up with the...
When I threat to other people. When I threat, let me tell you something. You're not threat to nobody. The only threat to be is to society because... Why not worry about? Tomorrow should pick up yourself. Yes, how someone not talking now when I say, when I threat to other people. When I threat, let me tell you something, you're not threat to nobody. The only threat to be is to society because we don't trust you, we don't know where you're putting your key at them. You think you can't come for me if dead? Anybody me buried can't come back alive in my book.
Hey, I love to read all of them.
The only threat is the society. Because we don't know where you are, making people them get hyper, you like a bad water key at them. You understand me? So don't come talk with me, come if you come stop with me, I come stop with you dead. I'm a way how to argue back with the dead, you know. Yes, but me not bury you 2 times because you're dead already. I bury you already. But it's when I come out, you come after me. It's when you come after me, I will come after you full boy. I tell you already. You run go a fake police station, make fake FBI, I call me phone.